Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder. Yes, and we're going on with the Millennium Falcon, and I'm getting those in quite regularly and on very good intervals. Sorry, English tea. In front of me, you see from that camera the parts that I have here at the moment. And this is stage 42 that we're starting with, and I'm gonna just go into it and see what we are going to do there. So let's change to the belly cam. Thank you very much for joining me again. All right, in front of me we see the parts that we're going to put together, and we may color as well, but I'm going to start by putting a little bit of glue in here because we're going to need it. And as you can see, I tried to open it for using the brush, but I haven't gotten to that. We do get a little tool to thread screws in. I haven't had any problems with threading screws, but we have a tool now to do that. So we're going to put that neatly away, and we may use that when necessary. But let's go to this one and start with the biggest one and get the sprue cutters out. This is number one, they're saying. And let's get number two out as well, which is this one. Let's go on after that. This one, yep, is going in like so. And I'm going to put a little bit of glue on that, and that point to keep them in. Next one that we do is number two. Who does number two work for? We all know that one. A little bit on that side and a little bit on that side, and we are going to put it in right there. Let's see what we do next. Let's get number three out, which is that one, and let's test fit that, and that goes right there. Let's get this one out again. So I put that one in, I put that one in, and now I've just put that one in. And we're going to number four, which is this little part here. And let's see where that goes. Yep, that goes into those points. And we hold that for a moment and check whether or not what we do next is number five, which goes right. So that one is now in, and we're going to put something in from that onto that one, which is that one there, that one, and then the number six is that little thing. Don't know if you saw that properly, but that's going in right there. So as you can see, it's in there. Took off that sprue on that side. Then that's number seven. Let's see. I now see where that all goes. There's some glue on my fingers, so it's stuck. So we put that one in. And then the last one, the number 8. From that point to some point, I can't see which point, but I've got a hole there still. Last one is that thing gone in. And now we need to spray it black or a matte black, but I will do that at another time. But that is this stage done with all those spare little parts in there. That plate will fix in there like so. Yep. And we're going to put these little things in there. Okay, what I'm going to do is put them in this one, because I don't see that I have any more for other parts. So put the magnets in here and push as much of that glue away as possible. So, and now we're going to put those pins in. But I think we need to put some glue in that, because that went in too easy. So we put those in, and these are the metal plates, and this is, sorry, and these are the maggots. That I'm going to put them aside. So I'm going to do it with that one as well. And that plate. So we've got those metal pins in, and we need to have a quick look which ones go where. That is for that one, and this one is for this one. Yep. So those pins are in. I'm going to put those magnets in. So these are going to dry a little bit more. What you just saw me spray was accelerator for glue accelerator. And we have those parts. And with instruments, but instrument panels and stuff like that. And a little extra one. Okay, we're going to put this aside because we're working on this part. We're putting it right there. Now we put that one on. So then that one goes on. Hope that works because it was broken. We put that one on, that one, and that one. So we're going on. So we put that one on. And we put another antenna on right there. If it is an antenna, I don't know. And then number 7, which, hey, and I still have one number 8 that I haven't done yet. So I need to check that because I know the one right there isn't going to be used, but the number 8 I have not seen yet either. And we put that one there. And the last pink. And the last part is what we put over there. These are the easiest to do because we've done them before in a previous stage, and that's what they're saying as well. So we put those together. Don't know if I've done it properly, but we'll find out in the next stage. And we'll be putting those together later on. So that is this stage done as well. So we've got some more parts that we're not using at the moment. And we have a whole thing that we've done before as well right here that we're going to do as well. And we're going to put some stuff on that one as well. So let's do that now in stage 100 and no, just 45. And they're not even showing what's going on here anymore. They're just saying it goes in a certain way. And that is what we have. So we have that all together. I'm going to put that there as well. Put that glue to the side and leave that there. And the next stage is a pretty large one, so I'm going to have lunch and come back to you. Okay guys, a little change of clothes. And we're going on with this build in stage 46, and I'm gonna get some tea out. And as you can see in front of me, I've got the saucer section and this part of the saucer out. It's not a saucer, part of the body out, because we're going to put the panels on. Some of the panels are on already. We're going to start here because that's BP01. Okay, here we go. All panels are in. This is from the inside, and this is what it looks like from outside. It's pretty darn large, huh? I can't zoom this out anymore, but you'll have to do with that. I'll turn it so you can see the whole thing. And that's that for this stage and this pack. I've changed it around, as you can see, as you saw. So that was quite a build. I've done all the panels in a time lapse because it's a lot, and there's a lot to do, and a lot of getting the panels together and stuff like that. So have a good look at the magazine when you're doing this, and there is somebody who's put them online as well, so you can have a look at those and see if you can get it all together properly. But this side is on. The next stages that we're doing is the other side of the ship, and I do hope you will join me then. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on, and check out my channel. There's quite a few. This is one of the larger ones that I have, but Optimus Prime has been built as well. The X-Wing has been built as well, and there's a lot more to come, and there's a lot more to see. So have a look at my channel and join me next time. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you there. Bye bye.